What if the next top student in America is powered by AI? Not cheating, not shortcuts, but intelligent learning systems that adapt in real time. And most schools aren't ready. In 2026, AI tools are transforming education across the United States. From personalized tutoring to automated grading, the traditional classroom model is evolving faster than expected. But which AI tools actually matter? And how should students and educators use them strategically? Subject: Top advanced AI tools. First, AI tutoring platforms. These systems analyze student weaknesses and generate customized lesson plans instantly. Second, AI writing and research assistants. They help structure essays, summarize research papers, and improve clarity without replacing critical thinking. Third, AI-powered learning analytics. Schools are using predictive AI to identify at-risk students before grades drop. This isn't hype. This is data-driven education. The key is not dependency, but augmentation. Students should use AI to clarify complex topics, practice problem solving, improve writing feedback, simulate exam scenarios. Teachers should use AI for faster grading, curriculum optimization, performance tracking. Used correctly, AI becomes a learning accelerator. The future of education in the USA is not AI replacing teachers. It's AI enhancing human intelligence. But here's the real question. Are students learning how to think, or just how to prompt? In the next video, we break down whether AI in education is creating smarter minds, or a generation dependent on algorithms. AI SOC project. Research-driven, future-focused.